Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting on gloves and eye protection because sparks and acid are dangerous. Use a multimeter to read battery resting voltage. If under 10, 5V, it may be deeply discharged. Once done, disconnect the negative terminal first, then positive, and remove the battery carefully. Make sure to note battery type and amp hour rating so you set the charger correctly. This initial check prevents mistakes and lets you choose the proper charge profile for a safe, effective recharge. You now position the charger near the battery and select the matching battery chemistry and 12V output. Choose a charging current around 1/10 to 2/10 of the battery capacity. For a 10Ah battery, pick 1A2A for a safe slow charge. Connect the positive clamp first to the battery positive terminal, then negative to negative. Once done, plug in the charger and start the cycle. Monitor voltage and charging current periodically, so you can spot overheating, swelling, or abnormal readings early. You finish charging when the charger indicates full or the battery holds around 12.7 to 13 volts after rest. Make sure to power off the charger before removing clamps. Disconnect negative first, then positive, clean terminals, and reinstall the battery tightly. Once installed, start the bike to confirm proper operation and charging system function. If the battery won't hold charge, try a load test. If it fails, replacement is likely. Desulfation is possible, but often ineffective for heavy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.